I'm Duncan. I'm Director of Operations for a financial services company, and I give Zoho CRM a 3 out of 5. We compared Zoho against a suite of several CRM solutions, including Microsoft Dynamics, which is what we were using at the time. We looked at Sugar CRM, we looked at Salesforce.com, and a couple of other lesser known CRM products that have since been acquired by other companies. And we chose Zoho because we were building out a proof of concept, and we really wanted to test the format and function that we had conceptualized for our CRM application, but we weren't 100% certain if that was the right platform to go with or not. Zoho worked extremely well for prototyping our CRM application and implementation, but it ultimately wasn't the CRM application that we stuck with. We chose Zoho CRM for our prototyping project because of its openness and accessibility and its relatively low cost entry point. We felt that the feature set that Zoho had a strong possibility to be the right feature set for our project, and we really wanted to put it through the paces and test out every element of the application that we were trying to build. The nice thing that we found with Zoho is that it was extremely flexible and extensible. We could build the application and format that we were looking to design on top of the CRM product that Zoho provides. It didn't have the full feature set that we ultimately needed, but we only discovered that because we built a prototype using Zoho. It was extremely easy to adapt Zoho for the project that we were working on. We found that its adaptability and extensibility worked exactly as advertised and was extremely easy to develop workflows that were custom and specific to our project. We built out a number of workflows that were designed around our specific needs in our organization, and Zoho enabled us to do that without too much foreknowledge or planning. We were able to basically sit down, prototype, build out the workflow, and then test. All in more or less one fell swoop, which was great. It really sped up the project design phase, and it helped us to identify the feature set that we actually did end up needing for the project that we were working on. So Zoho did a phenomenal job of providing a platform that was easy to adapt and implement in our environment. If you're considering Zoho CRM, be sure that you have a solid understanding of your own project needs. Make sure that the workflows you've identified that Zoho might help you address are well documented and understood in your organization. It's a very flexible platform, and it can do a lot of things that you want it to do. But if you don't have a good understanding of your own workflow and the process that you're trying to turn over to the platform that Zoho provides, it can be challenging to really fully understand all of the ways that Zoho functions and works. Out of the box, it does require some customization in my experience, and so I would really recommend having a good sense of what types of custom needs you might have in your workflows before going with Zoho. And if you're considering any other product, I would say the same thing is true. Benchmarking a CRM really comes down to having a solid understanding of your own workflow and any sort of process automation that you're looking to build out with the platform that you choose.